Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll discuss about some useful commands of Linux. So let's start. The first one is to how to create a hard link of a file. So we'll write ln, the name of the file, and then the name of the next file, the link through which we want to create. So I name it as file.txt. And then when I list it, here it is file text. So I want to check what is in the data text file. So now I also want to check what is in the file text file. So the both file contains the same data. So now if I enter some data in the file.txt, the same data will be transferred to the data file. So let's test it. ctrld, and now checking data.txt, and you see the data is here. Okay, now if we want to create a soft link, so we'll use ln s, and let's suppose we want to create the link of the directory etc, and from that directory we choose the subdirectory host name, and then we will enter the name. So link, here the link is here. Now if we want to check what is in the link, we can also check it like ls r tree. It will display to you like this: link of etc host name. And now creating a tar file, it's similar to a zip file. We will write tar czpf data.tar.gz. This is the name of the file which we want to give to the zipped file or tar file. Now let's enter the name of the files. Stop.txt and file.txt. So both the files are zipped, or a tar file is created with these two files. Now if we want to extract the tar file, we use the command tar x xzbf, and name, we want the name of the file, this name, data data.tar.gz, and it is unzipped. Now we will discuss about the Vim file. what Vim file is similar to cat and touch and more. It is also used to create a file, simple text file, and enter data into the file. But before trying it, you have to install it by using the command sudo apt install and Vim. It will ask. It is already installed in my system. So now if I write here Vim, in this format it will display to me, and I will write these quotation marks, colons with Q, and press enter, and it will come back to the terminal. So now if I want to create a file like I create using cat or touch, vim test.txt. Now I want to enter. I will press I, then here it is changed to insert. Now I can insert any kind of data, any text in it. I just entered this hello world. And then I will press escape and shift together. So I will write W to save, colons with W to save the text, and then I will write colon with Q to quit. Now if I write cat text dot test.txt, the hello world is printed. So we can also write create a file using Vim. Now about the environment variables. These are the variables which are used to pass data into applications. These are also used to set a value to a specific variable, and those variables can be called in different ways or different commands. Like if we write here export, it is used to store a value of a variable, and here this equals to variable 1, and now I print it by using echo command. $sign with the name of the variable, which is var. So now data saved, or the data of the variable is printed, which is variable 1. So now if I change the export var equals to variable 2, and now I echo, so it is changed to variable 2. Now if we want to locate a file or a directory to see its path, we use locate command. But before using it, you have to install it before, the same way sudo apt install and mlocate. Sudo apt install and mlocate. Okay. It is already installed in my system, so now I write locate test.txt and press enter. Okay, it is used to locate the directory mostly. And now the next command is sorting the directories and files according to their sizes. So we will use the command ls l capital S and lowercase h. And now all the files are displayed here according to their size. Now if I want to print the files according to their uh, time they have saved, ls lt. Now this one was the newest one. This was saved before this, and now all the files and directories are sorted in their manner in which they are saved or according to their time.
Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.